Well, sometimes you got to talk about funnels, okay? And I don't mean a funnel that you stick in a hole and you pour liquid in it. You dirty-minded little people. I'm talking about engine oil because I do like a funnel. It could be a plastic one that I bought at a store or maybe a paper funnel from 7-Eleven. But funnels are handy to pour things into small holes. And a funnel, sometimes if you live in the Midwest here in the United States, a funnel could be like a hurricane. You know, those little twister things. Oh my God, a tornado. Some people go, here comes a funnel. And then if you like cake, they make funnel cake and it is good. Oh man, if you haven't had a funnel cake, I'm talking. Hey now. So what is a funnel when you are talking this online biz thing? Okay, because I didn't really know what a funnel was, not relating to online business. Funnel cake, funnel like a tornado, funnel, to use to pour motor oil in. Yeah, I mean, I'm a big car guy, that's for sure. But a funnel is amazing because if you would like to look into the funnel that I use every day, it gives me 4 income possibilities instead of 1. Because out of those 4 possibilities, 2 you're going to decide. So if you have an online business, I have a handful. If you want to go to CoryDraper.com, you can see what I do. But let's just, for example purposes, LIVEGOOD as a company, I'm quite successful in. I have a good time promoting the mighty LIVEGOOD. All right. And I sell just really high-powered education, Legacy Builders Program. Okay. Now I can do this. Go to the900group.com and check out Legacy. And while you're at it, go to joincory.com to check out LIVEGOOD. Now, both are great names. I've made a pile of money using both those links that I own. I picked them up from GoDaddy. But if I go to CoryDraper.com and say, check out this funnel, not only do they, or maybe you, if you're kind enough, and let me just show you, this is CoryDraper.com, okay? And do you see where it says, welcome to LIVEGOOD, and I was talking about Legacy? Okay, now if I take you to this web page, and sure, I can help you get a free one. Just go to Linktree, get a page exactly how I have for free. Okay, and that's a whole other video. But it is good to say the900group.com. People go to Legacy. Guys, I make $100 to $900 a day right now with this opportunity. If I say joincory.com, please visit. I've signed up about 11, 12 people just in the last couple weeks. Now, if I say go to CoryDraper.com, this website, when you click these links, it does lead you into the world of LIVEGOOD and Legacy, and you're going to watch short little videos and make up your mind, hey, I think I like what Cory was talking about, or maybe you'll get a hold of me at CoryDraper.com, okay? But what is a funnel? What's different? Okay? What a funnel can do is I can say this. Let's just go to pleasewatchvideo.com because I own that as well. This makes me a boatload of money. I had no idea a year ago when I joined this company, I'd kick some massive ass. All right, they'd have contests. I've been #1 in this company 7 months in a row. They've given me TVs, cash, $1,000, suitcase sets, microwaves. They've given me all their education that they also sell. But what is a funnel? Okay, this is what I want you to do. Pleasewatchvideo.com, or if you go to CoryDraper.com, just go down to the 3rd button and it'll say multiple income funnel. Because there's 4 incomes if I just lead you to this page, okay, which people do. I had a couple people sign up with this opportunity today. Watch this little video, click here to earn big. And guys, you really can. I'm not doing some sizzle bullcrap that I have to fake to make. This is a legit opportunity if you have 0 online experience or you have 0 businesses online. You have no idea what you're going to sell, what you're going to offer. Most people are like that. People are, digging Zoom meetings and they see the power of working at home online. I had no idea I'd be successful, but a year and a half ago I joined. And I was kind of pissed at myself. I was getting ready for a good car show season. I had my bikes and Harleys and I got a bunch of cars and trucks. I was just ready to party. Then I joined a company called LIVEGOOD. And over the last year and a half, I have learned about funnel systems, buying education, which just puts you 1,000 miles ahead of people that are just trying to figure it out by going to Google or YouTube or whatnot. Okay? But you learn a lot in a year and a half. And when you have a funnel in front of you like this, all I can ask is that you look into this opportunity, go to pleasewatchvideo.com, and I want you to watch that video. It's highly produced. It's very fun. It's entertaining, actually. Get yourself a little drink. And it's not long, but you'll like it. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Now, why do you want a funnel? Okay. Well, let me show you here. Let me just scroll down. I got to hit this black little button here. Okay. Look in the middle of your screen. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Click each one of these rectangles, and a video right here is going to teach you how to set up your funnel. And if you want to recommend or do what I recommend, please go to GoDaddy and just buy a domain name. I bought pleasewatchvideo.com, and I link it right to the palm tree picture I was just showing you earlier. I link it right exactly into the palm tree picture so that everybody can watch that video and make up their decision. Are they in or out? I don't want you having to do a video like this, like I'm doing right now, where you have to explain for like 6 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay? If you want to record video like this, that's awesome. But guys, if you're shy and you just don't know technology and how to do these darn things, don't worry about it. There's plenty of video already made. All you got to do is invite people to that video link. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Guys, I'm done because I've already set up this funnel. Now, let me show you the funnel. Now, see funnel stream 1? When people join this funnel, guys, I make anywhere from $20 to $200. Many times by noon, I get up and someone has joined this funnel system. Okay, it's $49 to get going. I get a $20 commission. Thank you. Okay, and if you guys want to upgrade for a 1-year membership, guys, I get a $200 commission. The other day, I got 2 or 3 signups and a couple monthly signups, and when a week went by, I went, wow. I mean, sometimes my bonuses, my commissions, just by people joining this funnel are thousands of dollars. This company pays me every Monday. By Friday, they show me the pile of cash I made, and then they transfer it to my bank account on Monday. Now, what is income stream 2 and 3? Okay, this is where you can put any opportunity in you want. Whatever opportunity you want. If you own a pizza place, an Amazon store, if you're in a network marketing company, affiliate, or MLM, streams 2 and 3. I recommend Legacy. I recommend My Lead Gen. Okay, I'll help you configure any of these links too, by the way. It only takes me 5 minutes. It's so easy. Okay, so if people want to look into my third income, where they can get 3,000 leads, email leads for only $30 a month, $1 a day, they just click sign up today. If they want to join My Lead Gen, awesome. I'm going to show you to the best of my ability how to make $100 to $900 a day. Okay, I just want to educate you guys through video. Now, stream 1, income. Stream 2, income. Stream 3. Now, stream 4 is traffic authority. They own this whole website. They maintain it. They have customer service. They do all the credit card processing, everything. Everything is done. This is a business in a box, literally. And you've got 4 darn incomes. Okay? If you want to pay $20 a month, Traffic Authority can enable you to be an affiliate. You can get a portion of any leads or traffic that are purchased, because this company has hot leads that you can purchase to direct people to your business. What I do is I have their traffic directed exactly to this business here you're looking at, because Traffic Authority owns this business. Of course, they're going to give me some badass leads because they want my leads to join this opportunity because they make money. They also sell education. You know, sometimes I make $1,000 to $4,000 a month just off commissions with Traffic Authority. Thousands a month with My Lead Gen. Thousands a month with Legacy Builders Program. Thousands a month with Multiple Income Funnel. You know, some months I hit $10,000 to $15,000 a month just with these 4 streams. And I'm going to show you exactly what and where and how to set this up. There's setup videos and there's customer support. The sweetest girl named Mandy up in Canada runs customer support for both the Multiple Income Funnel and Traffic Authority. Jason's awesome. The owner is just awesome. His name is Greg. Okay, I know this company well. They pay me well. Thank you. And this funnel system, in my opinion, people like to go and just look at things to join. And then if they do join, or if they buy something, they might want whipped cream, hot fudge, and a cherry on that ice cream that they just bought. Pizza that I just had for dinner, maybe I do want that sausage, pepperoni, and good old-fashioned olives on top of that bad boy. Okay? I don't want people joining one of my opportunities and then going all over the place looking for leads, traffic, education. Okay? I want you to learn properly and effectively. I have taken, not that I've taken, but I've watched all the training with this company, with Legacy, Traffic Authority. I sit and I consume a vast amount of education, and I put it in this little body of mine, and I type and I follow through with the education that these courses and training, and they're all just short videos. You're not going to dress up and go to college and then take the bus home and deal with traffic and all that stuff. You're just going to sit back and watch little videos. And if you don't understand, rewind and watch it again. And then when you do understand, go ahead and pause the video, do what it tells you to do, and then hit play and learn how I did. Guys, I had no experience a year and a half ago. And you know why? Because I could give a rat's ass about making money online. I was going to win Powerball or something cool. All right, or marry the Queen of England. But she passed away. Now I have no chance. Now, well, okay, I'll marry Raquel Welch. She passed away. I was going to marry Farrah Fawcett. I got the Barbie doll right there. All right, all these sweet babes, they have passed away. May all three rest in peace. But you know what? I want to make my own money. And so do you. You want to sit back, relax, watch some setup videos and training videos, and do what they tell you to do. Okay? I want you to join the opportunities I recommend, and I want you to copy me. 100%. You can look over my shoulder. I'll do everything I can to show you what I do, because what is working is what I'm going to show you. Okay? I'm not going to teach you something, drag on courses after course, and all you're doing is buying courses but not getting any money back. That's not how I do things. I want you to earn and learn and flip it. I want you to learn and earn both equally. You do not need to sit down for a week or two or a month or 6 months or a year, get a piece of paper and say, okay, you're qualified to go do this and that. Okay, and then welcome to college, welcome to reality. Usually you get that diploma and you wipe your butt with it or make a paper airplane. Okay? I want you to make money now while you're learning. There's no reason why you have to wait and stall. All you got to do is just set up some video, watch the video and just set up watching what they teach. Okay? Guys, done. Just set things up. All right? Get a domain name, please. You don't have to, but I think that if I say pleasewatchvideo.com, isn't that easy enough where I don't even have to show a business card or beg you or plead you? Of course, I'll put a link below. But I want you to get your name if it's available, CoryDraper.com. I want you to get a free page with income opportunity. But I also want you to get a funnel system. You join the funnel. People want to join maybe Legacy or LiveGood or whatever other businesses you have. You have 2 choices out of 4. All right, pay that $20 to Traffic Authority. Get commissions. Let's make some moolah. I don't know how much. I can't ever promise on videos. I always put my fingers up, quotation mark, disclaimer. But I'll tell you what, guys, I'm having a great experience. What I'm doing right now as far as, December 14th of 2024. Happy birthday if it's your birthday. Christmas is coming up in a week or so. And the new year in a couple weeks. 2025, bam. 2024 just hauled ass. Hauled ass like a Ferrari. All right? So let's get you going now. I don't want you waiting. Christmas, then New Year's. Then you feel like you're bloated and overweight, and then you're broke because you had to buy tons of Christmas gifts or whatever holiday you might celebrate. Let's get you going now. If you're watching my video now, let's do it now. Okay? Shiot and get off the pot. That's what my daddy would say. Don't sit on that toilet so long that you have a ring around your ass for 5 hours and you can't get rid of it. Wonder if you do a drive-by mooning, everyone's going to know it's you because you have a ring around your ass all the time from sitting. Come on. Chop, chop. All right. Cattle prod. What do I got to do? All right, guys. Thank you for the last 15 minutes. I always have a good time just chatting. I love doing video. But let's get something in your life that has some meaning and some fun, some momentum. Okay? Let's get a business going so you can sit, maybe decorate, get some toys, Get a little race car chair like this, like all the kids play video games in. Build a little room in your, I don't know, maybe do you have an extra room? Let's build a little office. Okay? Get you a webcam like this Logitech C920. Get a little ring light, light up your face. Unless you have nice natural lighting in the daytime. But guys, this isn't heavy lifting. You can do this. I know you can. Okay, thanks again for subscribing to my YouTube channel, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email address. And if you have any questions about joining or what the product is, I'm real good at all these opportunities, guys. I could literally be a trainer or run customer support in any one of these opportunities. Okay, I'm real good at it. I just want you to know. I'm not going to let you down if you join me, okay? All right, thanks for the last 15 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay, you guys take care. See you guys. Bye.